Hello guys, today in this video I will explain to you how to download WhatsApp on a laptop. But first we'll come back to it. We'll go to the screen, and if you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe. Here we search for WhatsApp. I'm searching for WhatsApp here. Look here. Firstly, WhatsApp, Messenger, WhatsApp Beta, all are available. You can download any app from here. We're downloading WhatsApp here. I have downloaded WhatsApp. Also, just for your information, I have seen an open option here. Here, there is the option to install first. You click install and it takes some time and your WhatsApp will be downloaded. That's all in this video for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.